Every time you pop open the weather app on your phone to check if it's going to rain tomorrow, you're using 80 years of American scientific achievement. And it's under threat.
Ever since the 1940s, the United States has been at the forefront of weather and climate prediction. We have pushed the scientific bounds of what humanity thought possible. By understanding the physics of our world, and with the help of computers, we can now predict the weather days in advance and understand how carbon pollution will impact everyone and everything for decades to come.
This quiet revolution in science was made possible by decades of investment by the United States public, and it has benefited everyone: farmers, city planners, first responders, families, and businesses alike.
But now, funding cuts to our meteorologists at the National Weather Service, for our scientists improving climate and weather prediction methods, and for the observational programs that keep these models grounded in reality are undermining our ability to continue our research to protect American lives and livelihoods.
Federal cuts. As many as 800 people were fired in a single day.
Not ready for hurricane season.
Would cut more than $6 billion from NASA.
I can't think of a more adverse way to be heading into hurricane season.
These kinds of drastic funding cuts call for a drastic response. So myself, along with 200 plus of the best weather and climate scientists we could find, will be streaming for 100 hours starting tomorrow, Wednesday, May 28th.
We believe that by showing what our science has made possible, we can inspire the action to preserve it.
We'll be kicking things off live from the NASA Goddard Institute of Space Studies in New York, where we'll be talking with scientists there on their final day before getting evicted by DOGE. And the live stream will run all the way from then to the beginning of hurricane season on June 1st.
Along the way, you'll hear hundreds of talks, learn the stories of fired federal scientists, see panels of past heads of the National Weather Service, and get all your climate and weather questions answered by scientists.
Just look at this incredible list of speakers. It is going to be great.
We scientists aren't always the loudest bunch of people, so you know if we got 200 of the coolest meteorologists and climate scientists on the planet to volunteer their time on just a few weeks' notice, things must be pretty dire.
So now it's your turn. We'll be live around the clock at wclivestream.com/watch for 100 hours.
So stop by for an hour or 100, tell your friends, and we will see you tomorrow.